Welcome to Enventions, the YouTube channel where we explore the latest and most innovative gadgets and inventions. Introducing ELEGOO OrangeStorm Giga, a revolutionary 3D printer with gigantic build volume. Empowered by Clipper firmware, Giga can bring your designs to life at a maximum speed of 300 mm per second, making sure long waits become a thing of the past while preserving utmost model size and quality. Giga offers effortless control right at your fingertips. With a 7-inch screen, every detail is under your command. You would also step into a new dimension of creation. 4 nozzles and 4 heated beds work in harmony, translating your imagination into reality at quadruple the speed. With a generous build volume, Giga provides a grand canvas for your imagination, enabling larger creation and more ambitious projects than ever before. Embrace the innovation of Giga integrated body, augmented perfectly by resilient Caterpillar cable tracks. The powerful cooling fans ensures consistent high-quality prints by providing precise thermal control. It's a marvel that empowers you to create masterpieces on a grander scale. With Giga by your side, every moment becomes an opportunity for a delightful surprise, a mesmerizing story, or an artistic expression. Free your mind, dare to dream big with ELEGOO OrangeStorm Giga. If you want to be a part of this revolution, head over to the Kickstarter campaign right now and show your support. Thank you for tuning in today. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech updates. We'll see you in the next video.